What's going on YouTube? This is your boy the Vintage Man back on another video, and today you already seen the thumbnail and the title. We about to do a review and on feet over these Air Jordan 1 Pine Green 2.0s, man. Y'all remember the first pair that dropped? I think it was either last year or the year before that. Very dope shoe. Everybody's going crazy, spending crazy amounts of money on them after the resellers got them all up and started flipping them things. But now they gave us a 2.0 version, and I must say that I like this one better than the first pair that dropped, man. So if you're new to the channel right now, what I need you guys to do, you already know, hit that subscribe button right now and ring the notification bell for your boys so you never miss another video that drops on the channel or live stream, anything, man. Hit that notification bell right now. And also, if you don't mind, please head over to IG and follow me at The Vintage World. It will be linked down below. And if you don't mind as well, please hit that like button right now. It is free. That is the biggest donation you guys can give to me right now and the biggest motivation. Just please hit the like button. It really shows me that you guys are enjoying the content, man. And before we get into it, I did want to show you guys that I did get the package that I was waiting for from StockX. I got this pair of shoes for $100, man. I feel like it's gonna be a dope video, and I'm gonna show you guys that you can actually get something from StockX for under 100 bones, man. So make sure you hit the notification bell. This video will be dropping tomorrow, first thing in the morning. So you guys, please hit the notification bell so you don't miss this dope unboxing from StockX, man. So let's jump right into this review and on feet over these Air Jordan 1 Pine Green 2.0s. Let's get it. All right, I got these things from Foot Locker, and you know me, I was super cheap. I was like, man, let me use this discount. They sent out all the coupons, you know, that you got when you had the old program for Foot Locker. You know, they switched over and they sent everybody out their coupons and stuff via email, along with Champ Sports and Foot Action, man. So I got coupons for all three of those stores. I had a $20 coupon for Foot Locker today, so I used it, and I was like, hold on, let me see if I can use that military discount real quick. So I went ahead and used that as well. So I got these for $134. Let me check. Yeah, $134.74. You cannot beat it. Hey, shouts out to Foot Locker for that. Save a lot of money. You guys do know these retail for $170. So what's that, 40 bucks off? You cannot go wrong with that, man. So now I was gonna use that 40, put a little extra cash and get another box of drop fronts, man. That's how I'm gonna look at it. I'm gonna look at it as if I already spent that 170. I'm gonna go ahead and get another box of containers and fill up the sneaker wall, man. It's gonna look very dope. You guys gonna love the outcome. So you guys wanna stay tuned for that as well, man. So let's get into it. You already know how it come. Regular Air Jordan 1 box. And then here we have it, man. Air Jordan 1 Pine Greens. If you guys have not followed me on IG yet, I post most of the shoes I cop over there first. So you definitely want to go over there and follow your boy on IG. You get like some sneak peeks. You get to see what I'm copying. You get to see what I'm doing throughout the day. You get to see what I'm wearing for that day on the way to class and stuff like that, man. So let's pull these joints out. Air Jordan 1 Pine Greens. Let me know how y'all feel right now before we get into like a quick little review. Me personally, like I said at the beginning of the video, I like this shoe way more than the 1.0s. I didn't have a pair in hand, so I guess I'm being a little biased because I actually have this pair in hand. And I'm not saying that I wouldn't cop the first pair. I just like this one better. Nice hits off that black. I think the 1.0s had the white, you know what I'm saying, side panels that have more white in the shoe. I like this black base shoe. With, you know, the green hits all around. And they gave us an extra set of red laces, which me personally, I would not throw them in there. I know a lot of people probably will. If you want to do it, hey man, shouts out to you. But me, I'm gonna stick with the black laces. Usually I always keep the laces that come in the shoe. Usually it's black, especially when you get that black, you know, toe box. And I just keep the black in there and lace it up. But today I'm definitely gonna, you know, put the red laces in one of the shoe and show you guys how it looks. But like to rock on a daily basis, I would not wear the red laces. I just think it's just too much, that red and green. Got me thinking about like some Christmas, you know what I'm saying, style theme or something like that. So your boy won't rock with it. On the tongue right here, as you can see, you got the red hits. That's why they gave you, you know, the red laces. You got Nike Air right here on top of the tongue. So don't think that they just threw the red laces in there for no reason. That's why that little small red hit right there. Like I already said, came with black laces already in there. If you guys have not seen a lace tutorial for Air Jordan 1s, man, make sure you go check out my Air Jordan 1 lace tutorial that I dropped back when I was in Germany, what, a year and a half ago, man. So please go check that out. Very dope lacing styles. Those are all my go-tos and ones I showed you in that video. I must say that the leather quality is pretty nice. You know, some people, like I said, love the quality of ones. They always comparing it to other shoes and stuff like that. I can't complain about this. I did see a post on Instagram where somebody posted the Air Jordan 1 UNC Chicago women's pair, and the leather quality on the toe box is very trash. Left bad creases in the toe box. So hopefully this pair does not do that. You guys are going to see on their own feet. On the side panels, of course, it has similar leather quality to the toe box, man. Very nice, very tumbled, I guess you can call it. I hate calling it tumble and stuff like that. It's just nice leather on the side, and you have that tumbled textured feel all the way around to the inside of the shoe, man. Check it out, check it out. And another thing I liked about the shoe was the pop out wings logo. I remember my first pair that I got had that pop out, you know what I'm saying, wings logo. Was the bloodline ones that I copped a while back, man. Very dope, and it was something different. I feel like they should throw it on more Air Jordan 1s in the near future. You guys let me know how you feel about that pop out wings logo. I know some people love it to where it's just, you know what I'm saying, stamped into the shoe, and they don't really dig, you know, that pop out logo. On the back of the shoe, you can check it out right here. You got that same texture, you know, green leather on the back of the shoe. Not a lot of factory flaws and stuff like that, not a lot of glue stains. But when I did open the shoe, when I put it on Instagram, man, it was very loud, had a very strong smell. You guys already know what Air Jordan 1 smell like. All white midsole right here. Check it out, check it out. Let me check the other shoe out real quick and throw this box out the way. And yeah, like I said, all white midsole around the whole shoe. And of course, you have your green outsoles right here. Check it out, check it out. All right, guys, so like I said, this morning I went to Foot Locker a little early. I went like an hour and a half early. The Foot Locker employee let us go in a little bit earlier. Usually open the mall up at 10 and Foot Locker up at 10, but I went there around 8 o'clock. Camped for like an hour and a half. Like I said, these are first come first serves. Your boy was definitely gonna put in our legwork and camp for the shoes for as long as I had to, man, because I'm tired of taking L's on shoes. And this is the shoe that I really wanted, man. I know a lot of people was wanting it too. It was like 8 other people lined up, and it was still people coming right before, you know, the official opening of the store, man. So I would say it was about 12 to 13 people, you know what I'm saying, I guess you can call it camping for these Air Jordan 1s. And I seen on Instagram as well, and I checked sneakers app, and all the sizes are gone besides like the big sizes. And those were the sizes that Foot Locker in particular did not have when I went to the mall today, man. They sent like 2 people home. It was like, yeah, we don't got nothing bigger than a size 13. And I went on sneakers and I was like, damn, all this shoes is gone, which is pretty crazy. I didn't check, you know, the online stores like JD Sports or Hibbett Sports or anything like that. But I did hear that it was a lot of pairs going around where I'm at right now. That did not take away the fact that this is a shoe that a lot of people still wanted and people still going out and camping for. It's not like the old days where you had to camp all night for a shoe. It's not a shoe that was going crazy on the resale market, but I can definitely see this shoe right here rise in resale value just because a lot of pairs was going very fast, and of course those resellers is going out there taking up all the money sizes. I guess I would call the money sizes 8 through size 9.5, man. If you get your hands on those sizes right there, you can definitely come up on some money when you resell them joints. All right, guys, so I appreciate you for tuning into this video. Let me know right now in the comment section below if you cop these Air Jordan 1 Pine Greens. Let me know if you had to camp out for them. Let me know if you hit on sneakers app or wherever you bought your shoes from, because I'm very interested in knowing. Like the video right now if you have not liked it already. Subscribe if you ain't subscribed already, and hit the notification bell for your boys so you never miss another video, man. I appreciate all of support. And with all that being said, we're gonna jump right into this clean on feet over these Air Jordan 1 Pine Greens, man. Let's get it.